Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document with the dimensions of your storefront signage. Import your brand logo or any existing design files into your new document. Use the selection tool to position your logo prominently on the canvas. If your design is a bitmap image, use the image trace function to convert it to a vector format. Select your image, then navigate to the top menu and click on Object, followed by Image Trace, and then Make. Adjust the settings in the image. Once you are satisfied, click on Expand in the top menu to convert the traced image into vector paths. Next, use the Direct Selection tool to modify any points or paths as needed to refine your design. Add any additional elements you want to include, such as text or graphics, using the Type tool and Shape tools. Choose your brand colors from the Swatches panel or create custom colors in the Color panel. Ensure your text is legible from a distance by selecting an appropriate font size and style. If necessary, apply any effects, such as drop shadows or gradients, to enhance your design. Once your design is complete, check all elements for alignment and consistency. Go to File and select Save as to keep a copy of your working file in AI format. To export your design for print or digital use, go to File, select Export, and choose your desired format, such as PNG or PDF. Ensure you select the appropriate resolution settings for high-quality printing. Review the final exported file to confirm that all design elements appear as intended. Your brand's signage design is now ready for use on your storefront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.